Tire balancing, also known as wheel balancing, is an essential maintenance procedure for vehicles with pneumatic, air-filled tires. It ensures that the weight of the tire and wheel assembly is distributed evenly, preventing various problems related to uneven weight distribution. So, before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Vibration and steering wheel wobble. Symptoms. One of the most noticeable signs of wheel balance problems is a vibration or wobble in the steering wheel or the entire vehicle. This vibration is often most pronounced at certain speeds, typically between 50 and 70 miles per hour, 80 to 112 kilometers per hour. Cause: when a tire and wheel assembly is not properly balanced, uneven weight distribution can lead to uneven tire wear. This uneven wear can result in irregularities in the tire's surface, causing vibrations as it rotates. Solution: balancing the tires involves adding small weights to the wheel rim to counteract the imbalance. A technician will use specialized equipment to measure and correct any weight imbalances. 2. Uneven tire wear. Symptoms: uneven tire wear can manifest as uneven tread wear patterns. You may notice one side of the tire wearing out faster than the other, or a choppy, scalloped pattern on the tire's surface. Cause: when a tire is not balanced correctly, it can cause uneven tire wear. This can affect the tire's lifespan and performance and potentially lead to the need for premature tire replacement. Solution: balancing the tires not only addresses the immediate issue of uneven wear, but also helps prevent it in the future by ensuring the tires wear evenly. 3. Reduced tire and vehicle performance. Symptoms: poor tire balance can lead to decreased handling and overall vehicle performance. Your car may not steer as responsively, and it might not grip the road as well as it should. Cause: when a tire is unbalanced, it can lead to irregular tire contact with the road, reducing traction and handling capabilities. Solution: balancing the tires restores proper contact with the road surface, improving vehicle performance, handling, and safety. 4. Suspension and steering component wear. Symptoms: unbalanced tires can place added stress on suspension and steering components, potentially leading to premature wear and tear. Cause: the vibrations caused by unbalanced tires can affect various parts of the suspension and steering systems, including bushings, shocks, and struts. Solution: properly balanced tires reduce vibrations, helping to preserve the longevity of suspension and steering components. 5. Reduced fuel efficiency. Symptoms: poor tire balance can lead to decreased fuel efficiency. Cause: when tires are unbalanced, they may create additional rolling resistance, causing the engine to work harder and consume more fuel to maintain speed. Solution: balancing the tires can help reduce rolling resistance and improve fuel efficiency. 6. Increased road noise. Symptoms: unbalanced tires can produce more road noise than balanced ones. Cause: vibrations from unbalanced tires can generate additional noise as the tires rotate. Solution: balancing the tires helps reduce vibrations and the associated road noise. Regular tire balancing is a vital aspect of vehicle maintenance and is typically recommended every 6,000 to 10,000 miles, 9,600 to 16,000 kilometers, or when you notice any of the symptoms mentioned above. It's a relatively simple and cost-effective procedure that can significantly improve your vehicle's performance, safety, and overall driving experience. If you suspect wheel balance problems or experience any of the associated symptoms, consult a qualified technician or mechanic to have your tires inspected and balanced as needed. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.